In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an eye-catching email in Constant Contact. Start by opening Constant Contact and looking at the left navigation menu. From there, click Channels, and then choose Emails. This takes you into the Email tool where you can manage and create email campaigns. Next, begin a new campaign by clicking the plus Create button, or the option that says plus Create an email. Either one will start the email creation process and bring you to the template library. Now it is time to pick a template. Browse through the available designs and choose one that fits the style of your message, whether it is a newsletter, an announcement, or a promotion. When you find a template you like, hover your cursor over it and click Select. This opens the email editor. Inside the editor, you will be working with a drag-and-drop layout, which makes building a professional email much easier. On the left-hand toolbar, you will see different content blocks you can add. Drag in elements such as images, text, buttons, or videos, and drop them exactly where you want them to appear in your email. As you build, keep your layout simple and balanced, so it is easy to read on both desktop and mobile screens. After you add your content, use the Design tab to style the email. This is where you can adjust global colors, fonts, and background graphics to match your brand. Keeping these choices consistent helps the email look polished and intentional. Also, make sure your text is easy to scan and that buttons stand out clearly if you want people to click. If you are using a custom page and want to collect visitor information, you can drag a form block into your design. This is useful for lead capture, since it allows people to share their details directly through the email experience. When your design is ready, move into the sending setup. Choose the list or segment you want to send the email to, so the right audience receives it. Then add your subject line. Keep it clear and specific, since this is one of the biggest factors in getting your email opened. Finally, review everything one last time and click Send. That covers everything you need to know.